Hello everyone and welcome back to GoHighLevel 360. We have some really exciting news today. GoHighLevel has officially launched their e-commerce platform. So you can actually add an e-commerce store to any of your websites now. In this video we're going to go through how to set it up and just get a feel for how it works and what you can do with it. So let's get started. First off, we're going to go into our Sites tab and we're going to go into our websites. Going to go ahead and use this one for example. This is where we are selling currently for a client is selling scopes. So once you go into your site, go ahead and add an element and you'll notice that there is a tab on the left hand side called store, and now you can actually add it to site. So we're going to click add to site and we're going to wait while it adds in our store. So this is actually going to build out your product page, your checkout page, where all you have to do is go in there and just edit how it looks, and of course add your products. Okay, so now that it's loaded, you see we are on the product list page. So these are just some example products. If you would like to manage these and add in your own, there's this little manage products button on the right hand side. If you can go ahead and click on this, it's going to take us directly to our products inside of GoHighLevel. So of course here you'll be able to create and add in all your products, and that is what's going to show up in here. Additionally, if you want to edit the look and the layout of this, it's exactly like any other website. You can go ahead and change the background color. You can add more elements to this, so you could even make this like your main page for your site. You can kind of play around with it. If we go to the top here where it says product lists, it's going to pull up our other store pages. So we have product details. Go ahead and take a look at that one. Okay, so this is the product details page. So this is giving you what somebody is going to see when they actually click on your product. So this is, again, you can go ahead and manage products. So you can add in what you want the title to be, pricing, description, and then of course you can go ahead and adjust what you want the look of this to be as well. Next up we have cart. So the cart page, this is going to be their for their checkout page where they're going to actually be able to see everything they have in cart. So here we go. So this is how your products will be displayed. They can adjust the quantity here as well, and then once they hit checkout, they're going to go to the checkout page. All right, look at this. So they will be able to put in their shipping details, credit card. They can review their order, any coupon codes if you are doing coupon codes. All of that can be adjusted in here as well. If we go to advanced, it's all already pre-done for you. Again, if you like to adjust the layout of this or the color scheme, you can do that as well. And then the final page is the thank you page. So here, this is what it's going to look like once they've checked out. This is their final confirmation of the order. And then of course you can add additional workflows to go along with this, sending them their receipts. But yeah, that was just a brief overview of the e-commerce. I'm really excited to get started with it. I just wanted to give everybody a brief look at what it is, what it can do, and how you can utilize it. I'm really excited to get going with it. If you have any questions or any comments on any other features in GoHighLevel, please feel free to leave a comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.